For today's video, we are going to discuss how to find the derivatives of a function using chain rule, and we are going to explain in details how to get the answer. So let's start and let's have an example. On the first set of example, we are going to find the derivatives of a function using chain rule. And chain rule, that is the derivative of u raised to n, that is n multiplied by u raised to n minus 1 multiplied by u prime. So we are going to use this formula to find the derivatives of the following function. On number 1, we are going to find the derivative of 5x plus 3 raised to 4. So as you can see, this will be the value of u, and 4 will be the value of n. So we are going to have n, that is 4, multiplied by u, that is 5x plus 3. And then we have n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, we have 3. And then multiply by u prime, that is the derivative of u, and u is 5x plus 3, so the derivative is 5. So to write our final answer, we have 4 multiplied by 5, that is 20, times 5x plus 3 raised to 3. And this will be our answer. On number 2, what is the derivative of x squared minus 3x raised to 5? So this will be the value of u, and 5 will be the value of n. So therefore, we are going to have n, that is 5, multiplied by x squared, that is u, minus 3x, and then 5 minus 1, that is 4. And then let us find the derivative of inside, that is x squared. The derivative will be 2x, minus the derivative of 3x, that is negative 3. So to simplify, let us multiply 5 and 2x minus 3. It will give us 10x minus 15 times x squared minus 3x raised to 4. And this will be our answer. On number 3, what is the derivative of cosine x raised to 5? So as you can see, the value of n, that is 5. And then let us copy u, that is cosine x. And then 5 minus 1, that is 4. And then we are going to get the derivative of cosine x. So the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. And to write our final answer, we have 5 multiplied by negative sine x will be negative 5 sine x times cosine x raised to 4. And this will be our answer. On number 4, what is the derivative of cosine x squared raised to 4? So the value of u is cosine x squared, and the value of n, that is 4. So let us have n. We have 4 multiplied by u, that is cosine x squared, and then 4 minus 1, that is 3. And then we are going to get the derivative of inside. So let us have the derivative of cosine, that is negative sine x squared, times the derivative of x squared, that is 2x. So to simplify, 4 multiplied by 2x, it will give us 8x times negative sine, that is negative 8x sine x squared times cosine x squared raised to 3. And this will be our answer. On number 5, what is the derivative of tangent 2x squared raised to 5? So again, we have the value of u, that is tangent 2x squared, and the value of n, that is 5. So let us have 5 multiplied by tangent 2x squared, then 5 minus 1, that is 4, multiplied by the derivative of inside. So the derivative of tangent 2x squared, that is secant square 2x squared, multiplied by the derivative of 2x squared, that is 4x. And to write our final answer, we are going to have 5 multiplied by 4x, that is 20x times secant square 2x squared times tangent 2x squared raised to 4. And this will be our answer. On number 6, what is the derivative of secant 3x cubed raised to 4? So let us have the value of n, that is 4, times u, that is secant 3x cubed, and then 4 minus 1, that is 3, multiplied by the derivative of inside. So the derivative of secant 3x cubed, that is secant 3x cubed times tangent 3x cubed times the derivative of 3x cubed, that is 9x squared. And to write our answer, we are going to have 4 multiplied by 9x squared, that is 36x squared, secant 3x cubed, tangent 3x cubed, multiplied by secant 3x cubed raised to 3. And this will be our answer. On number 7, what is the derivative of ln x raised to 7? So let us have n, that is 7, and then u, that is ln x, and then 7 minus 1, that is 6, multiplied by the derivative of ln x. So the derivative of ln or ln u, that is u prime over u. So let us have u, that is x. So the derivative of x, that is 1, and then u, that is x. So to simplify our answer, 7 multiplied by 1 over x, that is 7 over x ln x raised to 6. And this will be our answer. On number 8, what is the derivative of square root of x cubed minus 7? So let us write this one as the derivative of x cubed minus 7 raised to 1/2. So we have a chain rule. So let us have 1/2 as the value of n, and then x cubed minus 7, and then 1/2 minus 1, or 1 minus 2, that is negative 1, copy the denominator 2, multiplied by the derivative of 3 or x cubed minus 7, that is 3x squared. And to simplify, let us have 1 multiplied by 3x squared, that is 3x squared over 2. And then, since we have a negative sign on the exponent and x cubed minus 7 is written on the numerator, let us write this one on the denominator to eliminate the negative sign on the exponent. So let us have x cubed minus 7 raised to positive 1/2. And to write our final answer, we are going to have 3x squared over 2 square root of x cubed minus 7. And this will be our answer. On number 9, what is the derivative of 1 over x squared plus 8 raised to 3? So the first step that we're going to do is to write x squared plus 8 raised to 3 into numerator. So we are going to have d over dx, and then 1 times x squared plus 8 raised to, from positive, it became negative, or you can write this one as d over dx, x squared plus 8 raised to negative 3. And then to simplify, let us have n, that is negative 3, and then u, that is x squared plus 8, and negative 3 minus 1, that is negative 4, multiplied by the derivative of x squared plus 8, that is 2x. And let us have negative 3 multiplied by 2x, that is negative 6x. And then, let us rewrite this one on the denominator to eliminate the negative sign. So we are going to have x squared plus 8 raised to positive 4. And this will be our answer. On number 10, what is the derivative of sine raised to 5 tangent x raised to 4? So let us write this one as d over dx sine tangent x raised to 4 raised to 5. So let us have n, that is 5, and then u, that is sine tangent x raised to 4, and then 4 or 5 minus 1, that is 4, multiplied by the derivative of sine tangent x raised to 4. So the derivative of sine, that is cosine tangent x raised to 4, and the derivative of tangent is secant square x raised to 4 times the derivative of x raised to 4, that is 4x cubed. And to write our final answer, let us have 5 multiplied by 4x cubed, that is 20x cubed, cosine tangent x raised to 4 secant square x raised to 4 times sine tangent x raised to 4 raised to 4. And this will be our answer. On number 11, what is the derivative of x cubed times 4x plus 5 raised to 4 raised to 5? So the first step that we're going to do is to take the value of n, that is 5, multiply by x cubed times 4x plus 5 raised to 4, and then 5 minus 1, that is 4, multiply by the derivative of inside. So as you can see, we have a product, so we are going to use product rule, that is u prime times v plus u times v prime. So let us identify first the value of u, that is x cubed, and then u prime, that is the derivative of x cubed, that is 3x squared, and then v, that is 4x plus 5 raised to 4, and then v prime, that is the derivative of 4x plus 5 raised to 4. So this one is a chain rule. So we are going to have 4 times 4x plus 5, and 4 minus 1, that is 3, times the derivative of 4x plus 5, that is 4. So therefore, v prime, that is 4 times 4, is 16 times 4x plus 5 raised to 3. So let us substitute this one to the formula. Let us rewrite this one. Let us have 5 times x cubed times 4x plus 5 raised to 4 times u prime, that is 3x squared, times v, that is 4x plus 5 raised to 4 plus u, that is x cubed, times v prime, that is 16 times 4x plus 5 raised to 3. So let us multiply this one. It will give us 16x cubed. And then, let us have this one. Let us write again. 5x cubed times 4x plus 5 raised to 4 raised to 4. And then, we are going to get the greatest common factor of 3x squared and x cubed. So the greatest common factor of 3x squared and x cubed, that is x squared. And then, the greatest common factor of 4x plus 5 raised to 4 and 4x plus 5 raised to 3, that is 4x plus 5 raised to 3. Multiply by 3x squared divided by x squared, that is 3. And then 4x plus 5 raised to 4 divided by 4x plus 5 raised to 3. We simply subtract their exponent. It will give us 4x plus 5 raised to 1. And then let us have 16x cubed divided by x squared, that is 16x. And then 4x plus 5 raised to 3 divided by itself, that is 1. And to simplify, let us have this one, 5x cubed times 4x plus 5 raised to 4 times the factors, that is x squared times 4x plus 5 raised to 3. And then let us multiply this one, 3 times 4x plus 5, that is 12x plus 15 plus 16x times 1, that is 16x. And to write our final answer, we are going to have 5x cubed times 4x plus 5 raised to 4 times x squared times 4x plus 5 raised to 3. Let us add this one. It will give us 28x plus 15. And this will be our answer. On number 12, what is the derivative of quantity 2x minus 3 over 4 plus 5x raised to 4? So let us have the value of n, and that is 4, multiplied by quantity 2x minus 3 all over 4 plus 5x, and then 4 minus 1, that is 3, multiplied by the derivative of inside. Since inside is a quotient, so we are going to use a quotient rule, that is v times u prime minus u times v prime all over v squared. So let us have the value of u, that is the numerator, and that is 2x minus 3. And u prime, that is the derivative of 2x minus 3, so we have 2. And then v, that is the denominator, so we have 4 plus 5x. And v prime, that is the derivative of 4 plus 5x, and that is 5. So let us substitute this one to the formula. We are going to write this one, 4 times 2x minus 3 all over 4 plus 5x raised to 3 multiplied by v, that is 4 plus 5x, and then u prime, that is 2, minus u, that is 2x minus 3 times v, that is 5, all over v, that is 4 plus 5x square. Then to simplify, let us have 4, and let us distribute the exponent on the numerator and denominator. It will give us 2x minus 3 raised to 3 over 4 plus 5x raised to 3. And then let us multiply this one, 4 plus 5x times 2, that is 8 plus 10x. And then 5 multiplied by 2x, that is 10x times negative, that is negative 10x. And then 5 multiplied by negative 3, that is negative 15 times negative, that is positive 15. And then let us write 4 plus 5x square. And then let us cancel this one. It will give us 8 plus 15, that is 23. And then 4 multiplied by 23, that is 92, times 2x minus 3 raised to 3 over, since we have the same base, let us add their exponent. It will give us 4 plus 5x raised to 5. And this will be our answer. So I hope you will learn from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless us all.